Bengal elections. Mamata Banerjee has alleged, and that's a huge allegation to make, Mamata Banerjee has alleged that there is a BJP plot to kill her. This as she hit out at the Union Home Minister and his remarks over the accident in Nandigram last week. Mamata Banerjee alleged that Amit Shah is running the Election Commission and that he is no one to instruct the Election Commission on what to do and what not to do in terms of reports that are filed. This a day after Shah backed the Election Commission's report that said that the Nandigram incident was an accident and not an attack, or there was no evidence to indicate that the 4 to 5 men had attacked Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee then went on to say that there is a BJP plot to kill her, adding that a wounded lioness is far more dangerous. So Didi's fresh Hindutva pitch was also to be seen at the rally as she once again recited the Chandi Path.
আমার সিকিউরিটির মেন চার্জে যে তাকে পর্যন্ত সরিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে, ওরা কি চায়? প্রাণে মেরে ফেলতে চায়। লজ্জা করে না? এতগুলো মিনিস্টার বসে আছে কলকাতায়, আমার সিকিউরিটির মেন চার্জে যে তাকে পর্যন্ত সরিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে, ওরা কি চায়? প্রাণে মেরে ফেলতে চায়। লজ্জা করে না? এতগুলো মিনিস্টার বসে আছে কলকাতায়। আর যদি বিজেপি বসে ভেবে থাকেন যে আমার একটা পা ভেঙে দিয়ে আমি এক পায়ে খেলতে পারবো না, জানেন তো নিহত বাঘের থেকেও আহত বাঘ আরো ভয়ঙ্কর। আমি এমন খেলা খেলবো এক পায়ে, বুঝতে পারবেন আমার মা বোনদের দুটো পা, তাদের সাপোর্টে আমি খেলবো।
I once again want to bring in Indrajit Kundu joining us from Ground Zero on this story. Indrajit, that's a grave allegation for a sitting chief minister to make, that the BJP is plotting to kill her. Did she elaborate? Is there any evidence on ground to indicate that there is such a plot? Is the police investigating any such case?
Well, Gaurav, this is not the first time that similar claims have been made by Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee. Of course, this is political rhetoric, and one must look into it like that, because ever since this incident took place in Nandigram, the narrative that the Trinamool Congress has been trying to set is that it has been an attack on Mamata Banerjee, and the needle of suspicion, of course, was on the BJP, even though Mamata Banerjee herself did not say that it was BJP which has orchestrated the attack. So clearly, there is a ploy as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned. It's part of its strategy to somehow create a sympathy factor in favor of Mamata Banerjee. We've seen how Mamata Banerjee insisted that she be allowed to move out of the hospital despite the doctors saying that she should stay put in the hospital for a few more days. So Mamata Banerjee is out of the hospital. She's on the campaign trail now with a bandage on her left feet, and she's on the wheelchair. So there is a lot of symbolism attached to it, and as we know, as far as Mamata Banerjee's career is concerned, every time there has been similar attacks on her or physical attacks on her, she's only come out stronger by playing the victim card.
Okay.
And that seems to be the trump card as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned.
Okay. Indrajit, so her playing the victim card is Trinamool Congress's trump card. Keep reporting the story. I will come back to you for more.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.